Hey everyone, this is Brad on Brad's Food Review, and we're doing a different area. We're waiting for an Amtrak. We have another train coming. We're going to try a new wrap called the Spicy Nacho Chicken on Subway. So, there it is. See, it's cheddar cheese sauce, jalapeno, sriracha, sauce, and what else is right on that? Okay, that's part of the chicken. Alright, here's what it is. It's these green pepper, onion on a wrap. Paper. I can get work on that. Okay, here. Okay, here. See, jalapeno, sriracha, green pepper, onion, and rotisserie chicken in a wrap. I'm gonna try it and see how good that is. Also comes in cheddar, comes on cheddar cheese. All right, here's what we got. It was crunchy. Sriracha has more of a kick, and the cheddar cheese sauce added to it. It's hot. If you take the creamy sriracha sauce by itself, it would be hotter. than the cheddar cheese sauce. This is not bad. It's like if you add the chips, so you kind of make chicken nachos out of it using that. So I'm gonna rate this one. This is good. I'm gonna rate this on 7.5 out of 10. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Call Bradford with you. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. So thanks for watching this video on my channel. If you like the video, give me a like, comment on this video or any other videos I posted, and subscribe to my channel. It certainly helps me get the views that I'm looking for, and do all that good stuff that I send you. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Alright, bye bye.